Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
And so today, my first visit after in charge. So I'll be interacting with our senior leaders, district presidents, block presidents, take an overall view. And then later on, tomorrow I've got a press conference. So there I can talk in more detail.
So what about focus on in Goa?
See, I can't tell anything now, no. I've just come. Tomorrow anyway, I'm addressing a press conference at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So that time you can ask me more in detail. I also will discuss with our leaders first, get the whole background, what is the situation, everything. And then of course, tomorrow I will say everything. See, tomorrow meeting all the leaders, senior leaders, we're having a meeting together. Then individually I'm going to be discussing.